What up, y'all? I'm Bino the Investor, and every day I wake up is another 24 just to get the dough. Today we are going to talk about the current recession and why you do not need to fall in love with a stock. Don't fall in love with any stock. A chart for a certain stock may have looked very attractive at some point. If it no longer looks attractive, it no longer is doing what you thought it would do according to the chart, let that stock go and go pick up something that's much more attractive that you know you are gonna make good money on. If it's not working for you no more, learn to let go. Understand that giving up and throwing in the towel, selling a stock, even if you're just gonna break even or lose a little bit of money, is better than losing a whole lot of money or being stuck with a stock that you no longer find attractive. Go and get yourself an attractive stock. It's a bunch of attractive companies out there right now during this recession. Companies are getting beat up, they're getting whooped on. This is my favorite time to make money as a swing trader. Start making money in the market. Get some money invested, buy some stocks, have a mentor. If you don't have one personally, get on YouTube and get a Patreon, whatever you want to do, but do not fall in love with a stock at all costs. Right now with the recession going on, the big wigs are driving the market down. It's a bear market. It's a lot of stocks being shorted. Do not fall in love with the stock and hold on to a stock that is being heavily shorted. We got a lot of double bottoms going on right now on 5-year charts, 2-year charts. Everywhere. There is attractive companies everywhere to make money quickly, make a lot of money in the long run as well. But I'm not trying to hold any one stock through a whole recession. I'm buying the most attractive companies. I'm selling these stocks usually in under a week, to be honest with you. A lot of them I'm doing, swing trades on any single day, because I am not in love with any of these stocks. I am not trying to wait for any of these stocks to go to astronomical numbers to the upside or to very surprising numbers to the low side. We got companies hitting all-time lows. Most people are getting scared away from the market right now because they've been holding on to stocks that they were in love with because they have no education on charts. Learn how to read a chart. Learn how to find attractive companies. You're gonna learn that from me. Pay attention to market cap. Market cap must always be above $1 billion if you want to invest in a company. That's one of the key factors I look at. I look at the beta. The beta should be a 2, but due to the current market, anything above a 1.5 beta is fantastic for me to do a successful swing trade. We're also gonna look at the volume. If the volume is extremely low, we do not want to mess with that company, not fall in love with any stock. This stock is not a beautiful woman. This stock is not a beautiful man if I'm talking to a female. Do not fall in love with any one stock. These companies in the stock market are to make you money. Do not fall in love with them. There was a lot of talk about Tesla. People fell in love with Tesla stock because they don't understand the charts. They fell in love with Bitcoin or Crowcoin or Dogecoin, and they have held them down to these low numbers, and then they panic sell because they're scared, because they don't understand charts. Don't fall in love with the stock. Don't lose money. The key in the market to be extremely successful is to not lose a lot of money. Make more money than you're losing. And if you're not educated on charts, then you're gonna lose money. You gotta learn how to read a chart, guys. You're not gonna just become extremely successful just following somebody on Snapchat and making every move that they're making. They could be shorting it on the other side when they have you doing certain things. They could be putting in call options when they are telling you guys to do certain things, especially people with huge followings, okay? Learn how to read a chart, pick attractive companies. Do not pick more than 4. Do not have more than 4 companies in your portfolio at any given time. Warren Buffett became extremely successful from finding great companies and only having a few of them and trading them up and down consistently. That is what you need to do, guys. Do not fall in love with any of these companies. They do not care about you. You are a retail trader. You're a bottom feeder. Go and make that money, but do not fall in love with that stock. Falling in love with the stock will make you lose money fast. Okay, do not fall in love. Remember that in the market. Always have patience and do not fall in love. Nothing happens overnight, and the only way you're gonna learn this on your own is through the trial and error, and understanding that experienced traders like myself can tell you firsthand that you should never fall in love with the stock. Your goal here in the stock market or in the cryptocurrency world, whatever financial market you're in, do not fall in love. In real estate, if you've seen a home on the outside, on the exterior, it looked fantastic. When you go to get your inspections done and the foundation is totally bad, you're probably gonna wanna jump out of that deal if it's gonna cut too much into your profits. You gotta know when to throw in the towel. Even if you spent time on whatever this one thing was, the company you're investing in, the crypto coin you're investing in, or the real estate deal that you're investing in. Know when to throw in the towel. Nothing is a for sure thing. If it starts looking too bad to the point where you losing sleep at night, you need to let this deal go. Let this stock go. Let this coin go. Do not fall in love. It's always gonna be another door that opens when you close one, okay? Make sure you're being smart out here. Do not fall for the traps. This is a recession alert. Do not fall in love with any one stock and lose money fast in the financial markets. Guys, you got this. Do not be scared to invest. Just don't fall in love and have some patience and understand the charts, all right? So with that being said, I'm Bino the Investor. Every day I wake up is another 24 just to get the dough. I know y'all can get rich too, so let's go. Peace, y'all.